Okay, well, I'm going to keep trying to run this, but I suspect that I'm running into the issue I had with the EM1, where the tiny set screws are getting loose, because I did all the timing adjustment on this, but I didn't Loctite anything in place. So things may have gone out of adjustment just because I didn't Loctite it all in place. So we'll see if I can start this and get it to run. A little bit more so I don't have to dump as much fuel out. At the point where I'm adjusting that needle by just like touching it and thinking about moving it. And while we're running here, the governor there, every once in a while, one of the balls really whacks on something. So I wonder, one of the other channels I watch had an issue with the governor hitting the fins. So I'm going to investigate that, see if there's a rub mark on it when I get to looking at it again. But we'll definitely go through and double check everything and probably Loctite the grub screws in place to make sure that it doesn't lose the timing once I get it double checked again. So we'll see how long it runs this time, try to get the fuel out of it.